What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. We are out in Culver City at the Westfield Culver City. Let's go see what they got. I am primarily here to meet with the homie to drop this off. But of course we gotta look around. I haven't been here in a couple weeks, so let's look around, see what they got. Do got the chic right here. You should start right here or at the other spot. But yeah, we're gonna start. We're gonna head out to Foot Locker real quick, and then we'll look around. See what's going on at this Foot Locker. They do got the Brotherhoods, got a couple of mids. Okay. They must only have a couple of those Brotherhoods because I don't see it in the Jordan section. That's weird. Why wouldn't they put it out here? That's so dumb. That's dumb. This is an interesting shirt. I've never seen this before. Kind of look like a seismograph or something, but with the Jumpman logo on it. That's dope. Shirts are normally $35. Have they gone up in price yet? $40 now. Yeah, that's a new standard. I'm still waiting for this to go on sale. I would love for this to go on sale. The Nintendo Jordan doing different moves. $100 is too steep though, man. I'm too cheap. Team hoodies, or not kind of team hoodies, but with LeBron and stuff, $50. They're normally what? 75, so a little discount. Got purple ones as well. But for some reason, this spot has not had that many shoes, especially in the House of Hoops section. They've had a lot of clothing where the sneakers usually are. This is actually really dope to see 20% off the Pro Standard jackets. The Pro Standard jackets, these are just fire. These are fire. All triple X though. Oh, triple XL, that doesn't work. Do you got these on sale? These are XLs. All the good sizes are sold out already, huh? Do you got the starter Doyer jackets? Those are pretty dope too. 20% off. They got mediums and stuff with those. And then they got largest of these, okay. Oh, these are all largest. These are all fire too, okay. Still got the Grant Hills on sale, okay. These are the Grant Hill ones. Don't see these too often. I actually haven't seen these anywhere else. It's the only Foot Locker I've seen these. Man, okay. What are these? Normally $150? No, normally $110. Okay. Dude got some K-Swiss. People messing with K-Swiss? So, no. Okay. Dude got those LeBrons. I guess that's one of the GR colorways. Also got one of the Uno colorways right here of the Zoom Free 3s. These are going for $120. And now we're seeing multiple Kyries, the Kyrie Infinities, aka the Kyrie 8s. Starting to see different colorways, okay. We were all just seeing them for kids. Now we're seeing them in men, so that's pretty dope. $130 for those, okay. The Air More Tempos, I'm not feeling these. I'm just not feeling them. And had a little bit of promise in that in that case, but nothing much. I don't see any of those mids or anything. I don't see any of those out here. Okay. I guess I'll come check this out. This is a size 10 in the Brotherhoods. And the material on these are exquisite. I'm telling you, the material. I've said that every time I've seen these. You can kind of wear it with some Lakers gear. I know it's for his alma mater. But not bad. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, let's check out this JD Sports. See what they got. Came at the most random time. They still got some stuff. Size 11 in the Brotherhoods. I'm telling you, the material is so nice. Man, not bad. So I got a little bit of stuff. Found these right here. These are grade school, but they're canvas. Okay. Oh, even that looks different. Okay. That's dope. Okay. Shout out to the homie Jose, who is a viewer. He just grabbed one of these. He just grabbed one of those. He grabbed one of these for personal. This is not bad, dude. The exact same color blocking as the one highs that are coming out right now. Okay, man, these are hella durable too compared to the one highs. The leather they use is totally different than the highs, but it just seems a hell of a lot more durable. $120 for these. Okay. Still got the 13 Del Sols. Been seeing these at quite a few spots. Starting to see them a little less readily available. I think people are starting to scoop them all up. These are still at $200. We all know they're gonna start to climb up, right? Dang it. Witness 6s. LeBron Witness 6s. These not looking bad. I'm not gonna lie, dude. $100. Not bad for a budget. It's crazy to say $100 is a budget sinker, but it's a budget signature. You know, LeBron line goes for $2. Canvas trainers. Also got suede on it. Doesn't have the strap. These are fire though, dude. This is fire. Look at the inside. Inside it has that, what, jersey material? I don't know. Not bad though, not bad. Looks super comfy, man. I don't think I've seen this colorway of the Trae Youngs. Got a couple of Trae Youngs I haven't seen. $130, does have light strike and does have boost on it. Okay. $130 for these. This fool just balled out yesterday or 2 days ago for you guys. $130. Got him into the playoffs. Good for him. Have I seen these Air Max 90s? I don't remember it because it says Air Max 90 on the side right there. Okay, it does have tons of suede. Ooh. Ooh, what material is that? I can't, it's like some sort of elastic material, but it doesn't feel like an elastic material. $140 for these. Probably the new going price for the Air Max 90s. Man, material on this one is just ridiculous. Wow, wow. Then they got the fake off-white ones going for $140. We've seen these black ones as well, $140 for those. Then the Air Max 96 is coming back out. Haven't seen these in forever. I don't know, I'm just not digging these too much. Okay. Air Max 97s. I like the 97s way more. This one got some nice material. Ooh, got some nice leather on the side. Okay, okay. Some nice tumbled leather. $180. Okay. Then the Air Max 95. Can't go wrong with these. $175 for these all white ones. That's unique because you don't see that piping right there. Okay, you really don't see that. Is that 3M? I don't know. And then got these. See, there's no 3M piping on this one. $175 for these as well. Also got some black with a little bit of red on it. Okay. All right, do got this chance right here. I did hear that this store might be pretty crooked, which might go with the idea or my observation that I've never found any heat here. That might make sense. We'll look around real quick. Like, this is one of the biggest champs around, one of the main ones. And I don't think I've ever bought any heat here. I don't think I've ever seen any heat since they moved over from that last location. So, yeah, my source might be correct on that, man. All right, let me not waste my time then. Keep it moving. All right, someone did show me that they found some hella crazy deals at Lids. So of course we gotta check now, right? No, I'm seeing some deals, Okay, seeing a bunch more stuff that's listed or that's marked certain prices. All right, someone did show me that they found some hella crazy deals at Lids. So of course we gotta check now, right? No, I'm seeing some deals, Okay, seeing a bunch more stuff that's listed or that's marked certain prices. Do got fitted hats going for $20. Mitchell & S fitted hats. These are normally like $40. If we wait, does that mean it's gonna keep going down? Are we gonna have to monitor that? More of the Lakers hats, more fitted. This is an adjustable hat. That's dope. This matches one of the jerseys that I have. Some Bulls gear. Okay. I don't know what's up with that color, but okay, $20. That is an adjustable hat. Going old school with the 87 88s. Okay, that's an adjustable snapback for this one. Okay. More Bulls adjustable hats. Interesting color scheme. Grays becoming really popular. Clippers adjustable hats going for $25. Trucker version of that hat. Adjustable going for $20. Raiders flex fit hats going for $25. Digital camo per dope. Another flex fit Pittsburgh hat going for $25. That's a weird Lakers hat. Dude, what the hell? $20. Adjustable weird Lakers hat. Now, this one's better. This one's better. It's a fitted going for $20. Clippers one right here. Adjustable hat going for $25. I'm trying to get other teams though, man. Oh, look at this. One size fits most. Unless your head's like gargantuan. Probably like mine. Adjustable Steelers hat. Youth Clippers hats. Oh, Casey hat right there. Oh, 15 bucks. You got a Clippers fitted hat going for 15. That's pretty clean. Not bad. They do have another lid store. Let's go check them out. All right, we do got this lids. It used to be a fans. It's more of like their apparel section or apparel store. Let's see if they got any deals. This place is huge, dude. Freaking huge. 50% off section right here. Man. Dang, I'm sending these off to a couple of homies. I think I got these for $10. I got Charger ones for 10 bucks. Now they got a Niners one for 10 bucks. Okay, I might have to grab one. They got other team ones as well. Got earbuds for the Broncos. Got Green Bay right there. Got the Seahawks, Cowboys, Niner speakers. And these are 50% off the $10 if I remember. Okay. Okay, do I need to... Should I send out one of these too? Then also got jerseys. Oh, these are kids' jerseys. Can I get the grown-up jerseys, please? Double XL. So going for 50 bucks? Oh, Wilson. Oh, that's funny. He's gone. Dodger hoodies going for $40. These are XLs. These are really light though. This is a small right here as well. 40 bucks, you get 50% off, right? Dude, is this a Nike Thermal? Dude, this is super nice. Like one of the Nike's top line material. Normally 90 down to 45. So is that 50% off like this, or is it already marked off? I don't know. If it's 50% off of this, that's even crazier. Super Bowl merch, $77. So it must be another 50% off of this. That's a double XL right there. Got Ram shirts going for $49. I'm sure it's 50% off of that. Got Super Bowl jackets. That's hella bright, $1.70. What size are these? I don't know what size they are. They don't, do they say large? Okay, these are large, small, extra large. I thought about this hoodie last time, $53. Super thin, that's the only thing. Just like way too thin. Extra large, this is for kids? Oh, it's for women. It's super wide, but super short. Okay, and these are going for $53, normally $77. Super Bowl hoodies, damn, this is a small. These are going for $19. An extra 50 off? That's crazy. Dude, these hoodies are fire. These are Fanatic ones, not the most expensive, but they're down to $33, and then you get another 50% off. That's insane, dude. These are only $60-something each. They got a bunch of mediums, it looks like. And then they got XLs of those. These are the fire things. I'm telling you, these are just ridiculous. The Therma, man, 45 bucks, and then another 50% off. That's ridiculous. They got $20 hats right there. They have tons and tons of apparel here. Super dope. Got that O'Neal jersey right there for hella cheap. Man, they got tons and tons of stuff. But we don't have time like that, right? I don't want to make this a 45-minute video. All right, let's keep it moving. I'm wondering if I should buy some of that stuff right there. All right, so I did take it to the front. I asked them to do a price check, see if it's 50% off. And then they said, no, those are going for $10. So what's 50% off, what's not? Like nothing's marked, nothing. Man, this is some BS, dude. All right, I'm out. All right, I did meet up with the homie. He didn't want to be on camera. I wasn't able to show. All right, but yeah, let's check out the last store. Knock out this chic visit. Damn, I just passed by the Jordan section. I just realized that. Here's the Nike basketball area right here. I just realized I haven't seen these in forever. Georgetown colorway of the Air More Up Tempos. These usually go for $1.60. I have not seen those in a while, dude. These are fire. These are the latest ones. I'm just not digging those too much. But yeah, these are going for $1.60 as well. Do got the happy face Nike shirts. Are those up to 40 as well? I know the Jordan stuff. Okay, 35 for those. Okay. I believe this does go with the have. Is this Air Max Day? Does this go with the Air Max stuff? I don't know. Air Max Day stuff. $80 for that. Just a regular hoodie. This stuff right here. This is Dang it, they're all different. Everything here is different. Okay, yeah, this is what I want to show. Dude got the smiley face on here. Is this all the Air Max Day stuff? I don't know. I don't know. $120 for these. Dude got the Blazers. This is the one with that extra tumble leather. Texture of pretty much a basketball. Definitely trippy, different colorways on each side. Okay, different colors on each side, my bad. $120 for those. Oh, $110, my bad. And got the regular Blazers. We've seen these a bunch of times. The black, seen the white, seen that Nike salmon colorway. I don't see the price on here though. We got the all black. Oh, this one, I prefer this one more than that one right there. Probably because it's all suede. Those are dope. $70? Okay, little sale, normally $85. Then got those. Dude got the 7s that just dropped. The only person I've seen talk about this, Mike Rich, who is a fan of the 7s. Material on these are, wow. Material on them are kind of amazing. Not a fan of the colorway though. Not a fan of the silhouette either. But man, material is just amazing. Okay. I think these are $210 as well. Price is amazing too, damn. Then I totally walked by this area. Man, look at this. You got the UNC 6s, kids colorway, or the kid sizes. I am such a fan of these. I think I have a 6.5, and then I have like 3 or 4 sizes of the men's. $150 for these. Okay. And then they got all the UNC gear around it. Dope. Ooh, I've never seen this sweatshirt. This sweatshirt is fire. Holy crap. $70 for these. I've never seen that one. That's fire. And then their Jordan Wall. It's not the greatest. We've seen better times. Mids right there, going for $190. Some, what are these? The series mids that nobody's really looking at. The hell is this? They made these out of canvas now. What the hell? Then a bunch of center courts up top. We've seen better. Dude got plenty of grade school stuff here. Plenty. I think this might be preschool. The 6s. They just did a restock on these. I think. When was that? Was that Black Friday? This is still here from that? Cardinals. We got these bad boys as well. 11s. This is a women's. Then the Legacy 312 lows. I haven't seen these in forever. Yeah, they got grade schools. Okay. Wow. Okay. And then we saw these, or I saw them earlier. Man, not seen these at any other spot. They got the UNC Jordan jersey, man. Mitchell and Ness. It's a college vault. Man, these are just ridiculous. These are the authentic 3 bills. 3 bills. Freaking fire, dude. I'll throw that on with any University Blue J, man. You good. And then, of course, they got Scottie Pippen ones. These are $130. These are the authentic ones. Kind of like, I don't know what they call it. Is it the Swingman? Yeah, the Swingman versions. Not bad. All right, let's wrap it up.